Guys, magbo-boom-boom dance kami. Magbo-boom-boom dance kami kasi si Dan, nag-comment siya sa isa sa mga video sa YouTube. Tinanong niya kayo guys kung ano yung gusto niyo makita. And then some of you guys said, boom-boom dance. So sabi niya, sasayaw lang ako ng boom-boom dance kapag lasing ako. And now he's drinking. He's drinking his wild turkey. Ganon. Yan. Hindi pa naman siya lasing, pero... boom-boom bed. Boom-boom dance. So sasayaw kami guys. Sasayaw kami guys. Papanoorin muna namin yung tutorial kung paano siya sayawin. Kasi parang alam ko rin siya nag-slide kasi sinayaw namin to kasama yung mga girls. Pero si Dan wala. Hindi kasi siya sumayaw nun. So, yan. Meron ako dyan. Tapos meron din ako dito. I think dyan na lang kami mag-ano. Kasi parang ganito ba hindi kayo against the light. So, yeah. Practice muna kami. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari. We'll see. You ready, babe?
Yeah, that there.
Yeah, that's alright. We just need to set up the camera.
Let me push this back.
Ayan! Sige, panoorin muna natin kung paano siya sayawin. Boom, boom, babe. You ready? Oh, do you want to watch the video first?
Yeah, let's watch the video.
Yeah, let's watch the video first. Wait, asan na yun? Wait, dito muna. Yung pinanood namin ni Lyra, yung ano lang, maikli lang. So now it will teach us how to do that, like step by step. I'm really how to do this. This is how I do it for me. You ready? Let's play it again.
That's really good.
You were?
Yeah,
I didn't
really.
even look at you. Wait.
Yeah, I had it over there.
Did you? Okay.
Tapos, ito kasing step, gawin ko muna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So ngayon, para magawa nyo na maganda at maganda yung tawag. Maganda yung pagdala. Diba? Kasi, minsan pa parang awkward sa akin. Inisip po namin. Okay, tingnan po ninyo. Walang ganyan lang po. Pwede ba? Parang DJ. Okay? Ito po yung balikat. Balikat lang po muna. Ito, umikot dito. Umikot dito. Umikot dito. Umikot dito. May konting landing. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Tapos yung puwet. Tapos kung gusto nila gawin nyo yung ganito nyo. Yan o, ganyan. Kahit po yung mga lola,
You said move your, yeah.
1,
Move your bum.
2, 3, 4.
It's like feminine.
Yun, ito, pagka medyo...
It's not.
It's very-
When you see him dance, it's actually not that
It's
feminine.
very feminine.
1, 2, 3, 4. Isa pa, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos tuloy-tuloy yan ng 8. Tapos ilagay nyo yung sabi dito, parang DJ ka. Meron ko pinapahinggan. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isa pa. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos, ang next. Okay. Yung zigzag, nagawa lang po yan sila. Parang yung 8 na dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sundan nyo lang po. Ito yung kamay. Pam, 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 touch. So, gawin natin yung pattern. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, touch. Ito, yun yung pattern para. So, para na kanan. Pag-touch.
Yeah.
Bam, bam, bam. Okay. So, balik na sa 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, touch. Bam, bam, bam. Okay.
What?
Ito
I didn't see that.
pangalawang beses. May heart naman tayo. So, ganun pa rin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito ngayon to. May heart.
This is the next one.
Ito yung gitna. Ito yung kanan. Ito yung kaliwa. Dito po tayo. Ito yung ko.
Babe, this is the heart! The heart! Wait, let's teach Dan how to do the heart first.
Okay.
Show them your heart. Oh, you got Oh, kasi noon yung heart niya ganun eh. Okay, we know the heart.
Hindi ganun. Hindi dapat. Okay na. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heart. 6, 7, 8. Okay ka pa? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heart. 6, 7, 8. Okay? Tapos ito naman. Boom, boom.
Oh, that one.
Ito po yung paan. Ito lang iba. Side lang. Konting side lang. Boom, boom.
Boom, boom.
Tapos cross. Cha. Ha. Ha.
What?
Tapos boom, boom.
Boom.
Tapos pa ulit. Jan, jan, jan.
Huh?
Ito yun ha.
Okay,
5, 6, 7, 8.
Na, 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 na,
Lover. Na, 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 na. Boom, boom. Chak, chak, chak. Boom, boom. Chak, chak, chak.
I can't.
Isa
I
pa.
can't do that.
5,
It's too
6,
quick.
7, 8. Na, 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 na. Lover. Na, na, na. Boom, boom. Chak, chak, chak.
Chak, 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 boom, boom. Chak, chak, boom, boom.
Okay.
Chak, 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 boom, boom.
Bongga-bongga.
Alright!
Para naman.
Got this.
You got this? You got this.
Ayan.
Ready?
Parang ganun yung kabila.
Okay.
Oh, this is the last part. The one that's...
Parang ginagaling yung ha, ha, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, para mas madali, gawin niyo muna to. Ito lang muna. Ganyan lang muna. Ganyan lang muna kayo. So parang kumaganto lang tayo. Ang pinagkaiba lang, may konting ganito lang. May konting side, 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 side. Tapos sa kanya yung pam, 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 pam. Okay? Tapos lang. Tapos sabayin na kamay. Sabayin po na kamay. Ito yung kamay.
Ay,
Right.
pagkanan yung paa, kaliwanan ninyo.
Okay, 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my gosh, I can never get that.
5, 6.
We look stupid.
Tapos 7, 8. Tuloy pa rin.
Seven.
Gawin natin na.
Okay.
5, 6,
7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh.
7, 8. Okay, tapos isa pa ulit.
Do you understand this?
Okay, 1,
No.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito na oh. Boom, boom. Ha, ha, ha.
Ha, ha,
Boom, boom.
Boom, boom.
Tapos pa ulit. Tan, tan, tan.
ha. Can you do this part?
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom.
Ha,
Ha, ha.
boom, boom. Ha, ha. Okay?
Okay.
Na parang mas malinaw lang.
Let's do this.
Diba? Boom, boom. Baba, taas, baba. Boom, boom. Ha.
Boom, boom. Ha. Okay? So, after ng mga jump natin, ipasa natin to. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 lang. Tapos, lakad lang. 5, 6.
5, 6.
Boom, boom. Kanya-kanya kayo. Gawin natin.
Boom, boom,
5, 6,
boom.
7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom, boom. Okay, subukan po natin.
Alright, let's go.
Okay?
Wait naman.
Let's do it. Come on, babe.
Then tawag ka. Ayan na.
Parang buwan. Oh, they're so good.
Okay.
Guys, hindi kami professional, ha? Sige, ito, babe. This is the final one.
What's that?
I didn't know how to do this. Oh, this is so hard. How do you feel, babe?
Exhausted.
It all started with
Yeah,
my
it's
father, thanks,
tiring.
God.
Do you wanna do the boom boom again?
No.
No more boom boom?
No, we won't.
Kapagod. Char.
I'm burned out.
Kakapagod pala yung boom boom, guys. Hindi kami professional ha. Baka ma-judge nyo naman kami agad-agad. We need to turn the heater off.
It is off.
It is off? Oh my
Turned
gosh.
off before we started.
Yeah, naka-heater kami kanina kasi ang lamig. Ngayon, naiinitan na kami. Yun yung boom boom, guys. yung video namin, it was just for fun. Hindi naman kami professional dancers. We're not professional dancers.
If you want us to dance at your parties, weddings, anniversaries, how much should we charge?
You smell like wild turkey.
Bourbon. How much should we charge?
I don't
Professional dancers.
$1.
My lips got lipstick on it.
Yeah, I did kiss you. earlier. This is a requested video. So thank you so much for the request. What do you want to say to you requesters?
I look like I got lipstick. Looks effing horrible.
No, you don't. No, you don't have lipstick on. This is what
Yeah.
you look like if you have lipstick on. Oh, good.
Oh, good.
Tangkad mo, babe. Sakit na kamay. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please let us know kung ano yung video na gusto nyo mapanood next. Like a challenge or anything.
We'll be touring the Philippines in 2019 with our dance. If you want to get an early and buy tickets, we'll leave the link below.
$1.
$1.
Thank you guys. Bye. Mwah.